Here at the Calder Center, I am studying deer populations, so I am setting up trail cameras to take time-lapse pictures of deer in the area, and from there using the images to estimate what their populations look like.
I'm the director of the Lewis Calder Center, which is Fordham University's biological field station in Armonk, New York. It's about 25 miles north of New York City, due north. It's a natural area where people can come to do research. Internships are available for undergraduates who are interested in doing research at the Calder Center. In all cases, they're going to get an experience that they wouldn't otherwise have.
It's important to study deer because they are actually pretty detrimental to native plant populations. This project appealed to me because I knew that I would be able to learn a lot of new techniques and skills within the field of ecology.
Hands-on research at a biological field station is an experience that is extremely hard to top. If you're interested in ecology, then coming up and getting your hands dirty and collecting soil or collecting insects or collecting seeds or collecting ticks, whatever it is, you get an appreciation for how the world works at the natural level. And we've had students engage in a number of projects that were looking at the effects of climate change on a variety of plant species. We've had students looking at ways to control tick populations. We've had students looking at fish breeding behavior in Calder Lake.
So this summer I got the amazing opportunity to be able to study resource allocation in tomato plants, or Solanum lycopersicum. So basically, I was able to grow tomato plants from seedling in different conditions, either under drought or under different temperature extremes, and see how those different environmental factors like changed how many flowers they produced, or how much they grew, or how many branches they produced.
Our proximity to the main campus, which is in the Bronx, and to the campus that we have in Manhattan, allows us to provide transportation up to the Calder Center. The Ram van is the way that happens. We do have the facility where people can come and stay and engage in ecology research. The mentorship of undergraduates is really an important aspect of what we can provide at the Calder Center, not just from the faculty, but from the graduate students as well.
My advice to future students who want to get into research at Fordham: just start asking questions, start talking to people, start emailing. People are always happy to talk. People always need help. And there is a lot of opportunities out there, and just apply. You know,
we're just so well located for students who are interested in going to an urban campus. The Calder Center is a breath of fresh air. I mean, come on up and take a look and see what it has to offer.
I was not expecting Fordham to have such a beautiful forest, even because it's a university in the city, but having this space is like really important for science being done at Fordham.